In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share watch lists on TradingView with ease. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, sharing your watch list can be a powerful way to collaborate and share insights with others in your trading community. So, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you get it right the first time. First, navigate to your chart on TradingView. Once you've made it to your chart, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. You'll want to locate the watch list icon, which is generally on the right-hand side of the screen. This icon is crucial as it serves as your gateway to all things related to your watch lists. Upon clicking the watch list icon, you'll see your list pop out from the side. It's essential to realize that this feature allows you to keep a close eye on a group of important stocks or other financial instruments that you want to track. Now, to proceed with sharing, you'll need to click on the drop-down arrow beside your watch list title. The drop-down is where you can manage different watch lists, and finding the one you'd like to share is key to this process. Before you can share, you need to ensure that your share list option is activated. If it's already turned on, you'll notice that a link is readily available for you to copy. Simply click on the copy link option and you'll have your watch list link ready to share with others, making it a seamless experience to distribute among your peers or community. However, if you find that the sharing option isn't already enabled, there are just a few more steps. Back in the watch list dropdown, select the open list option. This action will bring up a more detailed view of your watch list, allowing you further options and controls. Once your watch list is open, simply hover over the tab to access additional functionalities. Here, you'll want to locate the sharing button. Clicking this button toggles the sharing feature on, providing you with a unique link for your watch list. Remember to turn the sharing option on if it's not already set. This tiny but crucial step will make sure that your watch list can be viewed by those you choose to share it with. Finally, with sharing enabled, simply hit copy link, providing you with the URL to distribute. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shareable link to your TradingView watch list. Now, you can send this link to colleagues, post it in forums, or collaborate with friends, enhancing your trading tools with the power of shared insight. Sharing watch lists not only helps you stay on top of market trends, but also fosters a collaborative environment for discussing potential trades and strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!